Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to run a private assignment and public transport assignment in VISUM. So we have already a network and a matrices for both car and bus setup already, and the next step will be to go to calculate procedure sequence, creating a new sequence. I go to create and selecting private assignment. Now remember, if you already have an assignment loaded and run and you want to create and you want to rerun a new one from scratch, you will go to initialize assignment. So initialize assignment, if you do that, it removes all the results of the previous assignment. Private assignment, we don't have to run initialize assignment. Once we do the private assignment, we will see how about the PUT assignment in the next step. So PRT assignment, I will select PRT and click OK. Now once I have selected the PRT, I have to select the reference object. Now private is obviously related to the car object. It's not related to public transport, so we cannot link it to the bus, and by default it's connected to the car. So we don't have, we just have to make sure that car is selected here in the reference object. And then in the type of assignment, what type of assignment do we want to run? We want to run incremental or equilibrium. So you can run both of them. You can run both of them and see the differences in incremental and equilibrium. So first we will run the equilibrium assignment, which is selected by default in VISUM. Once we have done that, we will click this plus button, play button, to start the procedure. If the procedure is successful, you will see a tick box in the success column. It means that the procedure has executed successfully. Now how to see the results? We go back to the network editor here. Go to the network editor, and here you can see that the equilibrium assignment has put the traffic like this. Now remember, this is based on the zone volumes that we entered in the demand matrix. So this is the result of an if we run an equilibrium assignment on this network. Now let's see what happens if we run an incremental assignment instead of equilibrium, and to see is there any difference or not. So we go back to procedure sequence from here, and what we can do here, we want to delete this result and run a new assignment. So we'll go to create, initialize assignment, click OK, and make sure the first one is not selected, otherwise it will run again the same step. We don't want that. So make sure only the sequence that you want to run is selected. So we will play the button, and if I go back to the network editor, now you can see that the assignment results from the previous one have been removed. So now this is ready to accept the new assignment. So we will again go to create, and again private assignment. Make sure the previous is unselected, and this time we will select incremental. By the way, if you want to change the parameters of the assignment, you can always do that by selecting this and selecting car, and from this window you see edit. So you go to edit, you have an option to set the percentage distribution for each run. So I'm not going to change it, I'm going to keep it as it is, but you can change the values if you want. So let's try to run this one again. I have run again successful, and let's go back to network editor, and you can see the result. Now the next one is we also want to if you remember, we created two matrices, car and bus. So we also want to run the bus assignment here in this network. So let's go to procedure sequence, and this time unselect this and create a PUT assignment. PUT refers to public transport. PUT assignment, click OK, and the reference object for the PUT is. So make sure PUT is selected. And for the PUT in this example, we are going to run a headway based or a system based. So you have all these three options for public transport. So in this example, since we created the bus matrix, we will go with system based. So we'll select TSys based, and if I play the button for the sequence and go back to network editor, I am able to see in the blue color now the PUT assignment is loaded and executed over my network. So you can see here the red represents the car's PRT assignment and the blue represents the PUT assignment, public transport assignment. So there you see how easy it is to assign the traffic if you have the demand data available with you in VISUM. This tutorial is just showing you how to assign the trips which you have from your origin destination survey results. One more thing, if I want to see the desired or the shortest connections between the zones or the shortest path between the zones, so there is an option in the graphic parameters. It's called desired line zones. Let me show you where that is. You go to graphics, edit graphic parameters, and make sure you are in here, desired line zones. So once you are in desired line zones, make sure desired line zones is checked. So by default, the desired lines will be shown in the green color. So draw bars, draw labels, draw links, and show the instead of direct distance, we can just select the matrix value, which is car. Click OK, click preview, and make sure the color is uniform green. Click OK, and there you see these are the desired connections or the shortest connections or ideal connections between each zone, showing in the green color. So if you want to change the parameters, you can also change the colors. If you want to make different colors for the PRT and PUT assignment, you can also do that by going back to graphics parameters and going to links, display, labels, and bars, link bars. So in link bars, you have an option. In displays, bars, displays, you have an option to change the colors for the PRT assignment and the PUT assignment, both of them. You can change the colors if you want. You can change all these parameters, thickness of the colors, thickness of the lines, and so many things. So that's what makes this VISUM so much customizable, that you have a lot of options. You can make your model look visually appeasing and visually presentable by choosing the best colors and best scaling. So if you want to change the color, you can just select the filling option here, and in the fill color you have all these different colors to choose from to make sure your result and the line width. So you can change it all the things from here and click preview to make sure that your map, the final map that you're going to present is well presentable and well scaled.